What I said, let me know.
Okay.
I was in Jane. Manuel Freedom was Yeah, was in Jane.
Mba yɛda kpa bakwa okay taba man mba yɛda kpa bakwa adikyaga okay taba man ba koma okay de nyinan kurum okay
Like a fellow you're talking with, I'm not careless.
okay
Why is just looking for slight opportunity?
okay taba man ba adi nyinan kuruma hwa ayira kpa hwa okay that's be careful with mba he steals your let's see steals that money okay he is a thief okay so this one will just be thief petit thief
Okay, petit.
okay
No French. Everything has gender.
Yeah.
Okay, buy is a milk.
Yeah.
So it's petty.
Okay.
Without the E.
Okay. That's a Petty.
Eh?
Petty.
No. PETIT.
Okay, that's French.
So what? Oh,
Uh,
petite.
that's petty,
Yeah.
like petty thief.
So petite.
Yeah. That's that's Petty.
What do you call
Petty. So this one more comment to. Then the other word, Bangalang. We have done that one before now. Uh, so maybe we'll just say also see Atang and Abangalang. They are synonyms. Then the other word is
what did you?
petty, petty thief.
Let's see how.
That's a
How
Petty.
you spell it?
It's Petty.
Petty. Okay, petty.
Yeah, petty.
Okay. Maybe I was speaking French.
Yeah.
I get you.
Okay.
I was speaking French. Petty.
Yeah.
Serious, you're right.
Okay.
Means small. Minor. Right. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Petty. Right.
Okay. Then the next word is okay. Then the English version here. Be careful with Mba, lest he steals that money. It's a petty thief.
It's a petty mark.
Okay. It's a petty. Let me put petty.
But by my number, alright. Let's take a word. It will back the man. When you back the hand. Yes, absolutely. Okay. What? I'm coming back, okay? It will back.
There'll be nothing on the dot. There'll be nothing on that space.
This one, you are not supposed to. Okay.
But it is added. So that's why I wanted to. This one will be as a conjunction. Okay.
This is bar. What's the meaning?
This one.
Meaning.
The definite article.
Yes, this is 1990. 1996, right?
That's the number. You can say Ben.
Bending.
So,
Okay, bear. I'm getting lost. I'm getting lost. Ba. You know, if this is the 1995 is a definite article of it. Definite article. The. Okay. The definite article. The. The.
oh, yes. Then the third one.
This bar is not there. But here, this your bar is not here at all. You can say a joke bar bite. You can hear in the bar there. A joke bar bite. The men have come. A little bite. How many times?
Table.
Correct. It's not, this is not like it's not written on granite. So soon, well, Jeba, Aba, okay, what's your young one? Yeah, Aba. Binamu Yaba, you know what, so we are one. Wait, let's play it now. See, this means this first letter, sorry, the second letter of the child. Okay, it's pronounced then Baoni is a definite article. One of the, how you can even say one of the six definite articles. Yeah. Right. So for another example, you know, only a choba, a nyuba, what else is they having a bar?
Aya kusuruba. Asamba.
A tamba, a bubomba, and it is like a plural thing. I think you mean?
Yeah.
It is a plural thing. It is applied. When you say a nyuba, it's not one woman. A choba is not one man. A yakusuruba, as you say,
Yeah.
it's not one. A yiba is not one eye. I follow you. Or so on and so forth. Then this second one you are talking about is what I don't really understand. Ba, okay, ba, okay, that's the continuous tense of bear about one time. Okay, ba. Bang about these are just the this second one is a plural. It's a plural form of. Is it plural? I don't know. Continuous tense.
Yo.
Bear, you know, it's a verb. Bear ali changanian. One is bound one changanian. That's continuous. So this word ba is continuous. It's actually a verb. So ideally, bear should be the first entry, and then continuous tense is that ba. What do you have to check it? I'm Ama yeter sayesinde.
Niye bir saniye tamam işte. Nasıl bak bu yeşil.
Aynen. Abi şey o. Sudah apa lagi coba? Mana teman saya suka? Suka. Itu ya juga orang bahawa. Kamu anti silent aja apa? Ini nanya apa kamu? Oh, I thought I even called you. It's, you know, it just skipped my head.
What would be the sentence example for this?
But,
Just click it. Remember this.
Thank you. Good day after chat.
no, okay, biarkan macam mana. Biarkan di jangan ni lah. Biarkan cek sandi. Alia, biarkan cek sandi shebin. Kan ni lah. Anak yang sana nak cara. Kan orang biar. Let's give simple simple example. Kada never nak musuh buat aja, itu buat aja. Gaya asyik sandi. Misalnya kamu pun bin, ewa. Gaya asyik sandi, bin.
Okay, so
I think the six from the ground. Go ahead.
okay, the next word atabadatanyang. Atabadatanyang.
Atabadatanyang is a community.
Okay.
Atabadatanyang ka, asal jangan lupa cakap. Well, yang kau apa? Tapi kasih jangan kau apa? I was even then the explanation of Atabadatanyang. Mana apa itu? Kemudian again is an archaeologist. Here in Naranja, in this archaeological work. This is the Tanzania. And I believe that this share and all those figurines or something like that, and we share the Nok culture and other anything. So his interpretation is that I cannot be the language of explanation in that. We need to hear it. Yawa, alikan. We need to hear it. So the idea is that because Tiababa Kubai because the Canada, he could not explain it. And now so I say that young Spanish, at a young Spanish. It's about Gabia. So it has a historical meaning. Yes. Ba. Okay. I think that. But what was the meaning initially given there?
The meaning is
So what is there is initially it was given as one word, but you know it's a question. That R is standing alone, the question mark. That's the sign. The R is the question mark. Okay.
No definite article.
There's none.
It's an exclamation.
Exactly.
Ayun natin tayo.
Kasi kung yun, chaba, magkakaroon chaba, kanila.
It's an adverb. Can
So you separate the bar and
they are. Only that if it is a negation now, we now have a
Ako
H.
half in between.
ada yang itu chaba.
Yeah, ako half in between.
No, there's no hyphen.
No.
Nothing. Nothing. You just separate them. After the last A, put a question mark. That A is indicative
Yeah,
of a
that's
question.
it. Ayun, ako samba. Hindi kanya.
Eh, Exactly. No, that bar, I get it. That bar is, I don't think it is even a negative. It is like ko in Hausa. Wata rana ne ko, I get it.
Another one.
Yeah.
Kanya.
Kenya, you from Kenya.
Yeah.
That's right.
Question.
Ito wata niya ba? Ano ka sa daw?
So is it ataba da tanyan wake ataba da tanyanka?
Ba.
Okay, ataba
Ataba ba.
ba.
Okay. Ba.
Okay. Ataba. Okay, that's village na Tiaplan. Then kado da sheki de mango ataba atanyanka. Ataba da ba.
Kanya mga kambal ka siya ko ba niya.
Ayan ang mama.
Thank you.
Shemin ko.
Eh?
Ba shemin ko.
Okay.
Pagyan ko siya.
Atu.
You know, I give a share your exam. But I say, oh, it's not a better name. Again, again, the first time they changed, don't you from Matabatan and give my work.
Ano pa ka namin?
My work.
Council meeting. Ano akan tuwa sa sarili? What is your name? Mga nasa po para ba? Baka oku.
About Okua, Akula. You are like that.
Iyo gwamba, iyo gwa no council. What is a gun?
A gun sofa.
Gun, iyo gwamba,
And then no wish you whatever, then I know who you are the family.
Ndiye ni sabat kan ni sabat tu kan ba ba bai la fa. Ya bai na na wa kan na ba ba. Ya yo ya yo ku le ju ma la shi de cha. Yo ko na wo fi. Ajiya wo fi ma ka ba tanya. Ya ba fi do ne shi.
Yes, I get your exam. So, as we say,
Ya ko na wo fi ma ka ba tanya.
as we say,
Ya ku ko la to ba.
as we say, I'm going to get Gora, number 3 or something like that. You go, Gora, who are you can share, kind of go. I think there's something like Gora, something 3. I'm going to put 3. Okay.
Okay, so mukide more comment to Cynthia ruins
Yes, let's see.
of
The
an
ruins of an old settlement. Previously previously settled by people of the north. Maybe put probably because we don't know.
okay. Okay. That's
Probably settled this time.
okay. Uh, Probably settled by people of no culture.
No culture. Yes.
Okay.
Or culture of the people of. Means better to put it that way.
Okay.
Thought to be.
Okay. Thought to have been settled
Yes.
by people of no culture. Okay. Okay. Then Mangad Kambaika.
I didn't change it.
Kambaya jangan
Jawa,
kan nunggu ba kambaya ba
okay, why the cow?
itu yang ini dah
Okay.
so mangat kambaya ka share atabadatanya kambaya maternal home is at atabadatanya. Okay. Then the next word is ataborok.
Ataboro.
Ataborok.
Ataboro.
Ataborok.
Ataboro. Ewa, ataboro mono. Ataboro, it's what do you call it?
Yeah.
It's an adjective. Ataboro cham. We used to make jest of our grandfather, the surviving one. When we work, I mean, nothing talking rubbish. Now, we should go to power. So, because it was the what about Hey. Because it's not going to be the bind on the link.
Ano? Bu ataboro bu. Okay, then na be plural na.
Yeah, ataboro.
Okay, ataboro.
What are we break like? So they are Jason. Mangari jang itu. Aku ini. Apa ada macam?
Okay, then kada si sheki de mangu ataboro bu.
Let's get the entry first. What is it?
Okay, the definition.
Yes.
In Sheba.
Huh?
Can share Java.
Oh, there's nothing there. So, young man, can I get them? Like just collapsed.
Okay.
It collapsed thing.
Something collapsed.
It's not flat.
Not falling flat, but it sinks.
Something sunken.
But no,
Low thing.
kind of crushing thing.
That's collapse.
Love me, man. So my geography, I become very watching.
Okay.
How since when do you live? Since when did you live in this?
Many years now.
I never expected to remember. Yes? Go ahead.
So here, something sunken, something collapsed, something crushed. Otoboro.
Maybe this one should be clear. Yes, it's clear. This one is olefin. Then bonus
The working on this process. You are no longer setting the place.
Yeah. That is collapse. Okay, to collapse inwards, kind of. Collapse inwards.
Okay, something sunken, something collapsed inwards.
Yes, inwards.
Or inwards. And then something crushed.
That crush should come among the sunken
Okay.
collapse of land. But no one that happens.
Okay, sinks. Okay. Then kadozi sheki de mongu ataboro.
Okay.
Could no bika. Kane kide bika yoboro. Okay, but that would be the thing.
No, it wasn't. It hasn't just been.
Yeah, akuna kabika.
I'm sure because the way I started it,
Okay.
it's not going to end with a taborok, it is going to end with taborok.
Okay.
That's where I stopped at the way.
Okay.
How can no taborok be or bakan?
Okay. Akanok.
Taborok be, we say it's an adjective that must go along with the noun.
Yeah. Okay, akanok ataboroba B. Awaba. Awaba kani. Okay. And kadom kanok ataboroba B. Okay, atiambao. Okay. Atiambao uba kani. Okay. Kadom and there's Kadom and Koa have not sorry, have not built have not built built that song that collapsed grave of
Okay.
yeah.
There's a lump.
Normal. surrounding the choir. Rest. That's okay.
That's the only place I went to.
It's good for you. It's exercise. Social interaction is good.
Okay, then sorry. Then the next word is akbayangja.
Huh?
Akbayangja. Akbayangja.
Banza.
Uh,
Banzawa.
and your ease of selling things.
Huh?
The ease of selling things.
Akbayangza.
Akbayangja.
Akbayangza. Akbayangza.
Akbayangja. Okay. Akbayangzaka.
Akbayangza.
Okay. Then
But,
Huh?
it.
Yeah?
Not it.
B-A-8. Double A.
Yes. But,
Ba. Ba.
that's to pay something.
Yes, a bat. A bat.
but,
Ba.
B-A-H.
Engane. Ba. Did we have it here? Alan come to do all. Ah. Ikan jangan buat lagi dia tak tahu. Mari jangan.
So, yeah, was really good. You also the other, yes.
A bat. That's a
Okay.
But,
Here, okay. It is here to tear up.
that's bad.
I'm going to have a party.
Bad is the noun. A bad, no. My
And
partner.
that is a bad.
That's a bad. This
But
one
this
bad.
one is bad.
To pair up with someone. The noun bad, no man. The not. The
Okay.
not yet.
Parent.
Pair up.
So, what about the word pairing up?
Pairing up. Pairing up.
That's it can be a noun, it can be a verb.
Okay.
That can be a gerund. It's a gerund.
That's like a Jerun or whatever. It's a noun, I can.
That's
This one is a bad.
pairing up our sheja.
Okay.
Okay, so we have two entries.
You know, the Hausa rendition here is Hada the Woni as about you.
A bat. A bat.
Yeah.
Zero.
Pairing.
A bat.
We have two entries, one for the noun, one for the verb.
Okay.
You get?
Eh, the verb will not carry a definite article, but the noun will carry. Okay, then next word too is okay, Abayanga. That's ease of selling things. Kadozi sheki de mongo Abayanga.
Na dia Pairing.
Okay.
Itu yang dia labu.
Uh-huh.
Yang ni bayi ni tuan. Hai mampu kuasa. Mampu dia kumu tu. Gue bayang bayi tiap ni kita dah rasa dia kata.
Mm. Okay. Nang je Abayanga.
Kan tiap dia labu.
Okay, akan tiak liai.
Tiap mah.
Okay, akan
Tiap dia labu.
kin tiak liai yak nguho. Okay, akaking tiak liai yak nguho. Okay, nguho. Kengbang. Okay. That's Neang has ease of selling things.
She has already finished selling her rents.
Okay. Selling things.
Others are still there.
Okay. She
So that
has
is fine.
Yeah.
already
Ama ini dia dan dia.
really
Aku lihat kuliah. Sebarang tu. okuliya do so kuli aku yibu jam ko pam fo ni ba again so bara do
That is the verb. That is the verb of this one.
so bara do so bara do
That's another sense.
that's another sense
It's another
so bara
word.
wood so bara do
It's another word
it's
entirely.
another entry
It's another entry.
So verb entry 1, 2, and 3.
That's to pack your things and
hey you know try for tampele ba
Eh.
so bara do
that's to
so what to render it so bara do
to
can the internet help us
yes, even deep. What is what?
So, okay, is the first sentence example of verb, that's pair of. The sentence example.
Ibadayya.
Ibadai.
Here.
Pair of
Empire.
Ibadayya.
Pair of one.
Never listen to Baba. Ibadayya. Unity.
It's like unity set. Abi? Ibadai. Okay, young one. Nó cái này gì bị chặt, được không ạ? Cái gì gì đẹp mình bao rồi. Ê, bé đi xe đi. Các bạn thấy không? Abo không gần. Touch. Bé cái stick.
So Suni storming out, but that's the battle dot together.
Eh?
Storming out or exiting angrily. Storming, that's STORMING.
Okay.
Storming out, but that's the battle dot together.
Together, wow.
But only but is to
That's the storm.
to storm out.
Battle door to storm. You know what is, actually the entry is to storm, but in brackets, under a particular circumstance.
Yeah.
The circumstance was that used along with bad doors. If I were you bad door is to storm out. Nangana sarang foi, yang lihat, apa forget lihat, apa dua mengelihat, angka, storm out. Storming out. Okay? So but what we're saying is the actual word bad, therefore could be storm, but usually does not stand alone. It is in the context of going out. So usually you say
the top one. Yes, it's a third one.
that is the third one. So what you can say in brackets now.
Coming out.
Something like that. I wouldn't go, but young come. Well, you could be sitting, I don't move to vote. It's like,
But that Akuyanga, not be plural.
Akuyanga.
Akuyanga, sorry. Be plural. Akuyanga.
Look at what.
Okay.
Don't forget.
Okay. Then the next word is atuk.
Atuk.
Yeah.
Atuk ladi cobai.
Come.
Atuk juma cobai. Atuk nia. Okay.
English translation.
Okay.
Pair up with each other. I'm going to
Yeah.
day,
Okay.
specific day,
Mm.
date, something like that. Exactly. It's like date.
So it is be a day, comma date.
Okay, that's the okay.
Then this be a atuk ladi Sunday. Atuk anteni Monday. Atuk talata. Atuk laraba. Atuk alami.
That's it.
Then atuk juma. Atuk sabat.
Indian Jesse, okay.
Atuk
But
kisima.
so that people, you should give more examples so that people don't just think that it's used only in reference to. Nambian. Correct. Maybe you can go. I'm going to go back to Shannon.
Waiting
Waka, so what share that? Let's just show money.
This bag, we have bag 1, 2, and 3.
So they would like
So the first one is here, and the second one, which is the back, is so what is the use of that one? What is the sense?
the first one is what?
The first one is here, then the second one will be what?
What do we say the meaning is?
You just added the word, you said it has
but to pair up, or pairing up.
pair up is different from to pair up.
It's the same thing, just pair up. Laraba atukalamit juma juma.
But you're not going to say it. I don't know. So,
And then kita je senior atungka share atung juma. The meeting is on Friday.
that's correct.
Okay. Then next word is atutuk. Atutuk.
Something viscous.
Okay.
Thick.
That's the woo. Woo. Atutugu. Okay. Okay. Something thick, something viscous. A cup.
Did we put it?
Yes, I think
Sure?
we have.
Okay.
Or let me be sure.
Okay.
Share.
Sure.
Yes, the K L.
No, don't worry, I'll check here. So this is supposed to be there.
And we added that one later.
Oh.
Much later. A commission.
And Shevan?
Yeah. of liquid, something thick,
Yes.
close to hard. So it's a synonym of atutuga.
Against synonyms. It's even thicker.
thicker
It's
than
even thicker than the Togo.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Artificial.
Hmm. Close to hard. Cool.
Yeah.
The second one,
What was the definition given to it?
just added it now.
Just I don't forget what we said.
The third one is what they said is coming out.
Uh-huh.
The first one, man, is clearing up. Clear up.
To pair up, that's a
Yeah.
verb.
Huh?
That's a verb. The verb is pair up.
Yeah.
Then the second verb, the one next one is noun, pairing up. It can be a noun, it can be a verb,
Okay.
but
So see who
continuous.
brought it. That one is a Jerome.
Gerund.
Uh-huh.
So that'll be. So for the second one, you not v dot cont. That verb continuous verb, comma noun.
That is pairing.
The second part can v cont, comma n dot. That's a verb continuous or noun. That's a gerund now. Or maybe we can find another n dot. Yes. Then that one will have a definite article.
If there's a file, I don't know. If you have file, otherwise, you'll start. You'll go for the club.
Okay. Okay. The atutu, but atutugu, okay, it's not countable, so it doesn't have plural. It doesn't have plural and singular. Here, yeah, atutu, here, atutu, but
You have to do what you there are two entries. So right now we are at Otutu. I know Otutu does not stand alone. Otutu Cha, Otati, Otawai, because we will buy it on that tea. One on that Otutu.
Kadozi sheki de mungu atutugu. Kide jabot.
It's one water. What's the difference?
Kasu angi anasu soko dambian.
Why is it so?
It's natural. It has minerals. It
They
has
just
natural
take it
minerals directly from the stream and can it. No processing from Kerangaja. The same thing among this water that has these spices. So waka songo, as if you add more water, it will open up your appetite. It creates appetite.
They like it.
It creates appetite.
They like it.
Like the whole of Plateau State, so near you don't see any other product. The whole of Plateau State, no.
So I went
So,
to that the place where the spring is Kerang, Kerang in
yeah,
Plateau.
a land.
Natural.
No, just a village environment.
Yeah.
Just a village environment.
You did there.
That's where the Air Force they put this Air Force college at Kebara by the left hand side, Mukeranajo, Mushendan local government, Kepangshu.
We went there when we went for national conference on water resources. Some years back, it's a long time ago.
Wow.
There's a little hill there.
Yeah.
Then at the base,
Yeah.
just pure natural water coming out.
Nice.
So beautiful to behold.
Honestly.
Hey, that's a talk. Whether the plateau settlement gives you water or not,
No, they have water
you are
thing.
just okay.
Since they are in the lowlands, the water from the plateau is
It's
just
just
coming
the
down.
sense.
So,
Need a job in Sapanego.
yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Otutu, kadozi sheki de mongo atotubu.
What boy? What tea? We are putting in a tutu, which is on that tea. We are talking about tutu.
Otutu kata buaya Otutu kata buaya Owa. Otutu kata buaya Owa abandiwa. Okay.
I'm coming, Junior. Oh, hey, Tom. Tutugato boya ng kuwot boya mo. Sa connection lang.
Okay. Otutu kata buaya anang. Okay.
Kuwot.
Nang kuwot kay nang kuwot.
Boya sa connection lang.
Okay. Buya basak sak onion chen bandio. Okay. Bandio. Okay. It is a thick grower that quote made and brought to the visitors. Okay. Okay. It is a thick grower that quote made and brought to the visitors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. Then comment to you compare with a cup.
A cup. Though a cup.
Yeah.
In our own estimation, is
Very thick.
even thicker
Yeah.
than a tutu.
In the comment, Ajo is very thick under a cup. Very thick.
Okay.
That this one is just thick or viscous. Then Kadozi share the near this atutuk is also the word for bold.
What?
Bold, like a writing. Like this one is bold. This one is not bold. A little tuk. Thick. Atutuk yud. It's a computer language. The one that is thick, bold. Then this is not normal writing. This is bold writing.
I understand.
Yeah.
I want her to understand. what you are advocating.
Yes.
Abu kan gudar ne. Yawa, kan gudar ne ba. Duk youth, lila, youth, normal youth running is normal. If the writing is thicker, then you get to pursue.
To zan sono liaja.
No, some of them.
Zan sono liaja
Then
na
see the bold writing.
boat.
Yeah. So like I share my hand job. Yeah. We are very concerned because of your work in
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia, I know.
Also, tentatively, sono liaja nang zinyeta mongo is otutu. That's Kangao is boat otutu. So, Kazisha sono liaja zisha so.
Just take note that especially one number. A year number. One and a half.
Okay. So,
you know, when you are talking of thinking of something fluid, liquid, that's when you think of elegant. But when you are thinking of writing, you are thinking of
okay. Okay, so the next word is otumbat. Okay, otumbat.
it's a bird.
Okay. Oh.
It's the show bird. But we don't know. Otumbat will live.
Guaka. So, yes.
Ostrich. Ostrich. Yeah, we can't put it. Peacock.
An elegant specification.
Peacock.
Guaka. Aliana tumbada. Atumbat.
You know, it featured, we don't know it, but it featured in folklore. What I'm saying, ma, most formally, come to Tumbana, Natasha Kunya. Okay, how are you? Okay.
Yung
I live a pretty come. You go to the Kitaba, the Jung for
Duck.
is dark. Big, okay, big.
No,
Big, okay,
Wow.
See.
Wow.
These are peacock.
these are peacock.
Okay.
Like,
These are peacock. But I need China to cut. This is a non charge data. Peacock.
that to show we have other birds. We have other birds.
Other bird.
You have other birds.
Other birds.
Okay.
I don't know how.
And that one is a land bird. It doesn't fly. Okay. That one
Does
flies.
it fly?
Very well.
Okay. Unlike chickens. Okay, let me see. And that was a big bird. Okay, small bird.
You say it's a beautiful bird, no? Ah, yeah. It's a beautiful bird. The bird that keep on.
You see that one?
Person.
Down,
No, bring it down.
down.
Okay.
See that dude there?
Person.
That dude there.
This one.
The other one.
Okay,
that
this
there.
one.
Yeah, in that dude.
Okay, but times.
It tells me. I'm asking you to do.
Okay.
What you do?
Okay, go to back here, don't. I really try over time is something. I said, I wasn't going to not the water back.
You know, these birds were found in that Kulua Kabanga.
Yes.
No, Waka Kabul,
Okay.
you know, there was a forest.
Yeah, I know.
Those animals were there.
Yeah, okay. I remember that place.
Lagi dari cerita banyak.
It's here.
Encan bang ya.
So look at the sugar, mark at the sugar, one. Eh? Aisha, Ataba.
Person. Person. Okay. Person.
Number one with the
Let me open. That's number one, senior. Okay. Ngwawa. Black crown crane. You're in charge.
something like that.
Okay, black crown crane.
See it here.
Can
That's
go.
right. This is the one.
Tomorrow,
There it is.
Okay. Okay, so Ngwao.
Well, but it used to be bigger than this.
Okay.
They do.
Wow.
That's crane.
Huh?
Crane.
Just green.
That black crested
That was
crane.
green.
Yes, it's just a crane because it has different species.
Yes.
So there is black crested, there is Sarus crane, there is grey crown crane,
Look,
and all of them are cranes. Zangiakan.
But I can go, but they don't talk about me.
Okay.
Mana hapa watu abanje kutimbaga nyama na uhakika
Okay.
Mm.
Ba.
maybe because of the sound.
Yeah. Okay. That's a black crown crane. Crown crane.
Oh no. Burtu. So,
To kadozi sheki de mongo atumbada. Kide sentence example. Kadozi sheki de mongo. Okay. Like ngu atumbadu anishia mchana ke
Didn't get mama, they were always coming. You know, they don't stay long.
flying.
Flying.
Okay.
So that's what I mean with the same thing.
Okay, the same.
Once in a year.
Yeah.
Okay. It seems they fly from Europe or Asia and come over to this their map. They only come across this region and then but this one don't seem to be coming from Europe. They are flying from East Africa actually.
But simply seasonal birds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Local shipment on them. They come seasonally. Okay. Can you remember what time they used to come? At the beginning of the rains or at the end of the rains? During the rainy season or during the dry season?
And I'm going to look ships and fire
Around this time.
That is becoming, I know, it's like the rats becoming of the rainy season.
Same thing with the
Yes. So that probably of the same make.
Okay.
like smaller birds are coming slow.
Cocok yang ini,
But not too slow.
cucu makin.
You don't see them as a crowd.
La situation where the show
This is what I mean.
Babanya. Ini Babanya the show upon their vision
Agafu.
vision
Agafuba. Okonchaba.
It's a shrub.
Agafuba. Agafu.
No, a shrub. It's a kangaroo mama.
That's agafu.
they can't fly anyone. The shit, the chat in
Babanya.
Babanya. So this is new. The book of Babanya.
Agafu babanya.
Babanya now, what's the English?
Kaladnya Rabina.
Rabina.
Nyangwa ya Rabina.
What are you young of course? Check it now. Let's see. What was we are?
That's black coral. Black coral.
What can I get? Baba, young was we are.
I don't even know. Okay, black coral. Okay. The
It's a kangaroo.
Makan pay,
What
makan
is that?
Babanya is yellow. Yellow.
black coral.
Yellow.
No, suku.
Green to red.
The final one will to become red. Wow. But a leopard car church. Yeah.
Shrub would be second one. Babanya man. Second.
Mm.
Macam nang part de Hakorin Machi.
Okay. You want to.
Just check that. Hakorin, Alin Sakan Buji. Aba. So the one I was going to down in Subabanya.
Zaman yung Japan. Zaman yung Japan.
So this is the house.
A new Jacama. A new Jacama. A fluffy flower.
Hindi wali mo.
Okay.
Ali kyan bai kiwa mai kuna cacabin tashi lokacin ba su da na da kado da su faba za ke za da tukuri da bacci a bangun
Now we have a person to go.
ne sun yi ba su kan jan wuyar ta a cinan ana ba da na yadda yadda ana ba da yadda ba da ni mu ba kwa ba ne
No, no.
No, that is okay.
Job of the children.
Young one, this one, okay. How Okay.
Itu nama itu.
Ani na sisi church na watu. Afadhali ndio mwanzo tabaki church.
Asimunga.
Babanya huwa
Kujijeni ya shitra.
wakantawa ada muciya din ba nan ga kasu ko sun ba ku dan wani ne kai ga mu kun ai yang ga na ni bu ana da tsun na ta
Ko ko ba ciya shi ne da ba.
yana nan
Wa na bi da stem.
Saya baru ini ngam ngam jadi.
First class mo na gala. Oko
Okoro. Okoro yo.
Okoho. Okay, Okoho.
Nyom.
That's
Ndio ya church. Amamba kolenya. Ona tia. That's a crap. It's not for the
Nyanya itu baru program sosialnya ini. Alin fatu bikin shi. Nyam je ja bana tiya batun da. Sai sun
Ami kala bage wa okoro. Okoho.
that's Suniba.
Do you have any name?
Zuku Chaso.
Zura ke ya ya ta ga wannan
Ilanu.
No, go on, chat.
Wa mu chara kan shi.
So, the Akoroma Chijo.
Wale.
Suni is just a vegetable. And this thing refused to. Okay.
Ba igala ba ti lo wan kan de okoro ni so man. Sorry. Baca beliau. Okay.
Wa an yan bin ba an san dai biyo mun. Ba bu shafa ba alin fatu bikin shi. Ku ja ka ne. To alin
ji sun mun to su ma ne wa sun
amma su ne ja
su ne ja wa
ka ali ba tun fa zaidiya ya sun yi ne wa ne. Yawwa.
No loco.
Not this one is the Okoho.
Okoho.
Mm.
Okay. So let's if we get the name. Nyom di jalia. Saibanga.
Sadaba. Okay.
Jadi dua tahu. Yang dua.
Sad Omvang. Ovang. Sadavang.
Sadavang. Ali ada bangga. That's the short form.
Sad. SAAT. Avang. AVANG.
Okay. Sadavang. Sadhu. Ceases. Ceases. Sadhu. Ceases. This is species. Sadhavanga.
Aí sai da banda dele, né?
É que yon chongi.
But I hope these your pictures will
It's a-
come out
it's a
nicely
climber.
in the final because they are not so clear.
What number climb up in it?
I don't know. Wow. This one looks like a plant, like a shrub.
Yeah, the sure.
Yeah.
All them plants are big saga soil and good time.
Hmm.
Saga going from young Bokani.
Yeah.
One
Okay. I want go out.
in the wilds.
Hmm.
The time and we need to climb another.
Okay.
Nothing to touch you. What? Yes. It's a bit touch. But she died. She died. And she got you can't go like this careful. She died.
Pai, hello.
But Mali hata shule. Kumbe shule ya kujaji.
Então,
Depends on the soil.
the soil,
Umwe baba nza. Baba.
Maybe.
Mama baba za ni yes.
Israel. Oh, I don't know. Well, it's very possible to talk about this is a game change. We talk about nice. But the only difference really is that no problem is here. The person in the Shimami.
Because there's no
Also, Israel, no, let me tell you.
So do you
I planted one. I should have.
go?
We don't take care of it.
Gulmasum. Ano na gulmasum?
That's
Ini
Sesuatu yang dia.
abdi jangan tam-taman.
Yang serius belum masuk.
Bata ka lumabas niya.
Ibu guru masuk dia ni buat siap baik ini. Dia yang buat asal sampai dia.
Có cho trong thức coi một bài không? Jadi kalau nyabung udah ni saya around April May kan, nanggung semua ni. I think so.
Around June.
Kado tu kini mga cakap kira dia sekarang anak.
It should be around June.
Around June, ba?
Around June. Wild berries.
Ako na. Ako na. Ano siya ko pwede at close range.
Zipio go. Zoku kyo go da papanyak. But they're inside those first pictures there.
Okay, you have it.
Digugu, Dingwa.
Willis Akanji.
No, this one is the one that, okay, no, it's not the one. It's not the one. It's not the one.
This one is
Okay, but we'll get the image later on. It's as if we have not uploaded those images yet. Okay, so we'll just move to the next one. So we can just say a type of barrier. It's a barrier. Okay. Then the next one is the next word is okay.
Where it is? Purple bar. Yeah, exactly. That's how it progresses. Green, red, purple.
Okay.
Ewa.
So,
But
Kidija.
the red one, Angela, being white. Arthur. You see, now they're so you tend to forget certain things.
Kadang shake them and go atumbada. Atumbad. Atumbad. Yes, Kali Atumbad. Same. Okay, no. Mam Chobaya. That's rainy season. Okay. Okay, Chobaya.
You know, it's what you are trying to say is whether it heralds
Okay.
the rainy season. That is, it is announcing the coming. It's like Kadi also people say, Kadi Kukasha Shamoto, Lamina Bakusa, Kokmatazu, Shamoto. Gwana Jabanji came, Canada. Came for, and they are like the same family. Still they are different. But does it also do the same? Like the Shamoa? They of the Shamoa, they come in groups. This one in pairs. Achashia.
No, Kidija, the chat, local share, Google.
Wana tumbalo sina mzashi. Wana tumbalo, you don't see it until it is almost rainy season.
An wani tumbad ba suna nan zashin ba. Aliba suna akwai shimbai kuma alimba fafan. Alimba fafan. Okay. The crane is not seen till the rainy.
Yes, Baba, but you're fine.
Okay, Nabacho. Okay,
Afafan.
okay, Afafan.
Yes, can you go?
Yeah, by now. Alimba Fafan. Alimba Bachong Fafan. Okay. Bachong by Fafan. Alimba Bachong by Fafan. Fafan. The credence after any season. Season. It's almost at hand. You will see them come
Oder Kevin Celia. I'm joking, Celia.
Kide jinya an wani tumba ba sinan akwai kashin bai alimba bacco baya fafan ofafan akwai okay the crane is not seen till the rainy season is almost at hand. You will see them coming in pairs. Then the next word is atung. Okay, atung. Atunka. Atung.
Conference,
Okay.
Kita na yatin Baba chong. Tung kita na yatin Baba chong.
Okay. Then Kideji Senior Atunka Shema Jiwa. Where is the meeting taking place? Then the next word is Atunkunia. Wild vegetable used in terms of luck for making soup.
Well, but she went department. But somebody actually told me the name. Yes. But some part of that. The secretary now saying you were in Yoga for budgets. In Tamil State. The little over the Nika. The little over.
Nunut.
Okay, what you do? Check house.
Nguancha.
No, yeah, that one. No, I know how to do it. Oh my God. Hey. Itu benar.
Mm.
harka ne da kanar tukuni amma yi bai yi zom da al'adu bambam da it was very well actually nan wani ɗauwan kusa bagina I used to think that it is tiao bagina one share bagina that is yellow but you know this is turmeric turmeric you know it's yellow or is it pink or whatever it is come here yellow
more or less like that.
exactly Mambao which we go for no any other purpose that was substitution to make it yellowish. It was not eaten. Bogulian ba? I say kurum habo.
So now the vagina should not stand.
But we can still have it as two
So
words.
vagina
Yeah.
meaning yellow.
We can have it as vagina, and then we can also have it as support vagina.
Orange, they are in the same class.
Yeah, the same.
Cái bạn là dạy yellow. Mình xong lúc bạn nào yellow, green lúc bạn yellow, then there is no language.
No, a vagina is yellow. A lemu will use it as orange.
Ja,
The oshong is red. Okay, don't pada.
Yeah. I didn't know what we only have the basic or primary commerce aside. So, anyway, you also would get
Sai dai ku green an je su farko.
Amana can lilium, what does it mean?
Greenish. Really, really.
Lilium. It's a plant growing within.
Is populous, right? And I didn't trust for jump.
That's like first stage living job. You know, management job that will be another good channel. But at the same time, we plant a line of what dirty water. And then any job like that.
Minimum is paragraph.
I don't know minimum what. Minimum what minimum. So the day just so there in due course we will get to that's not bomb ourselves. We want to hit the man here. Okay, but you know, unless we will adopt it like as we could again.
This document, it gave the word for turmeric as turi. Turi.
Turi para. Turi.
Dingo. B. Turi. To marry.
Very.
Then this one that sounds like Turkunia is Turgunua.
What?
Turgunua. 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 Hmm.
Turku. That is good. This is Turku.
There's no Turkunia in any of the documents of Hausa language. It doesn't seem to exist.
And then, what is that? And the note.
On the note.
I think I have 2 H's.
Hmm. So,
And
because that word bagina seems to be an old word they don't use again. But it seems Tiap has retained the Tiap and Ju. They use the bagina. But the Hausas don't seem to be using it.
they don't seem to have it.
They don't seem to be using it currently. Even though some document they are, yeah. So what is?
Have you checked budget?
No,
Check budget. Yes.
no, I don't have the document.
You don't have budget.
Rawaya. This is the current word they use in standard Hausa. Rawaya for yellow.
For yellow.
Rawaya. This computer is having
Rawaya.
challenges. Rawaya.
So, but one of these ones.
Okay.
Don't share over some.
Yeah, no matter by Karaha. It's about Karaha Maba. German, but you don't know so worked up. I said, very bad day, Purum Class, and by myself one. And you might not need because it's young.
So these are in the Hausa language,
Hausa?
they use black baki, white farin, red jam, blue shooting, green kore.
Okay, wait now, wait. In Hausa, black is Baki now. White, furry, red, ja, blue, shoot, green, orange, yellow. Rwanda Roa, Alia. So, what they go
It's still correct.
Ruan Kaza, Alia, Ruan Kaza, Abi, and
So they use the Ruwa, they use Rawaya.
yes, okay.
Then Bajina doesn't seem to be a modern Hausa word
Yes,
they
yes.
use. So it's as if
You
Tiap
know,
has retained
Bagina
it.
was not really a color. It was a plant.
Okay.
It is still a plant. But for us, since we are using it to follow our raffia, by Bagina, so it sounded like a color.
Okay.
I know there's nothing really wrong, especially if we are not competing with some people. You borrow certain things. Like that, like I think in budget, there's the word vagina is GI, which represents generic. But we will spell it with GI, not JI. They say vagina, meaning vagina.
So, are we adopting this one? So, for Bajin?
It's already adopted since.
So this is what I'm advocating, but let's all look at it.
So, it means we are moving it from here.
No, the word will still remain.
Yeah.
We will still have another one, a support bagina.
Yes.
This bagina is still the same thing. It's an alternate usage to the support bagina. In the Bible, they don't even put support. Just bagina.
So you can have 2 entries. As we know it, we don't have any other word for turmeric in Tiap other than vagina. You be a young. And then, gum gum.
The median now should be yellow. We should use alternative for today.
There are two words now.
2 words, 2 entries.
Two entries.
By
Yellow.
Gina 1, by Gina 2. I don't know who is shooting the akwai ga fara jiya ma kushon idan da da wando so kwana na su su zero so azu de jankara atuna jankara do no it's just a variety of swarfa and it's comme gafa swa o shomo shomo ban era boy mangu azu ce maso kwana one mutum da zai shomo maso kwana to and substance jeji I want to one jeji you go back to the phone I think jankara wa ba kore da ne wa ka amanya sha ale ke ne no na ki ma ko bian yan sha yan bian sha ko Oh, okay. Every time I go by, I can't hear come back. We're waiting for you.
Okay. Ngu atukunya ali nini?
Do you know Ayoyo?
You
know Ayoyo? They are the same department.
Oh.
They are slightly different, but they are essentially the same.
There are two different species of the same plant.
Thing.
Okay.
That's the way we look at it.
Okay.
The only thing is Ayoyo, we have domesticated it.
Okay.
Okay?
The other department have.
Okay, still jute. It's still jute.
Is it jute?
They
I don't know what is jute now.
They are you. No. Ayoyo wa kan.
It's like the word jute is given to a variety of plants.
Jute.
That's a way to
It was through this jute.
So that is supposed that's Turgunwa. That's to the Turgunwa.
Where is it? Which one?
The Hausa, the one that the Hausa dictionary is giving us Turgunwa.
What is that?
It's the same thing. Turgunwa, jute. Yes.
The botanical name is what?
Jute.
Let
me open the Corcorus. Young cook jute to Wikipedia. Oh. Okay.
Check the word Rama. Rama.
This is the Lama. That's Microsoft Word 7. That their browser is rubbish. You're in charge, but for this one to open is a problem. This one hardly opens quick. Everywhere is jute.
What I'm saying, from there. Go to the host service and click on Rama. Let us see what they call it.
Okay.
And then 2 weeks ago, I went to the Bangkok.
Aku sebenarnya dia ada apa ni? Saya nak pergi bincang dengan orang.
Rama.
Pun di bang bang.
Di Rama.
Ha?
Di Rama.
Rama. Exactly.
But it cannot faji. Cannot.
An maka hoton shi kan
This is phone. Rama. Hibiscus.
you should be in that room.
Rama.
Rama.
Rama is supposed to be H.
Rama.
Is it the same Rama that we are referring to?
It's a hibiscus plant. That's the word that's given here, but the Wikipedia version, the image they are bringing is looking like it. They are just missing a bit. Okay, Kenneth Wikipedia. Okay. So their own is
Shino, wow.
so this is Kenneth.
They call this one Kenya.
Kenneth.
And some
Hibiscus.
was related to but really Mishanjija.
Yon di dia gafat bujer
What about
di people.
what will be in our room?
So, Nikki Giovanni,
Din gola. Is this not Alama?
Lamawa.
That's Kenneth.
You call it Kenya.
Kenneth.
So why Lamawa?
Kenneth.
Dual living.
So
Akwai green nashi, akwai purple nashi.
yon di kyau na zulyu da ci.
Brown
Ko su lyiat na ne. Alama dingwa. Okay, this alama. Alama. Kenneth. So zuku share your car from that jute to Kenneth because this seems to be the most appropriate. Or bastard jute. Hibiscus cannabinus from the house at Rama. Even though
So the first one with those leaves in it. Banana Bani. Picture
that's Asubani.
yeah, now.
Okay. Then the jute then jute.
Then you find one and you do.
Ayo. Suni is not very close. I mean, it's not very. But Ngao in all the internet is pointing to Kenneth as the Rama.
Not jokes.
Not the truth. The whole thing is just mixed up. I don't even understand.
Because let me tell you, myself,
Eh,
and I think he also said the same thing. The way we grew up knowing what is Lama, one hanging jokes.
This is the fiber of it.
This
Fiber.
one
When you peel it out of the stick.
on the Wikipedia is pointing to Kenneth. The same jute is.
Yes, one.
Yeah, on Wikipedia, the jute and Kenneth they seem to be relatives.
Yeah,
But elsewhere in the internet, it's pointing to a wedu.
Ewedu.
which is ayoyo.
Yes, confusion.
So the whole thing is mixed up.
It's
Confusion, yeah.
So let me go to ask what is ewedu in English.
Already that's a Yoruba word for
It's in the Hausa word is not giving anything good. What point
Ewedu, you
is
know, what is ayoyo?
Ayoyo dine in Yorubanchi.
Ewedu is what?
That's
It's
a
Igbo,
word, Yoruba word.
not Igbo.
No.
And then ayoyo is what?
Ayoyo pacha.
Ndị
Ndị ayoyo wa wọ̀nyí
ngwa anyị were ha.
Ebe a wee ya nga mba n'uche ya.
ayoyo.
Yorubanchi.
Ewedu. How does it?
Nchapua. Kunya.
Tukunya.
Kwa nunu.
Lewa.
Mutuku ni hao ayoyo.
Ayoyo pacha ma.
Badada.
Because ayoyo kwa mutuku ni abia wa wanga. Kiki ko bali wa ba. What ayoyo what ayoyo.
Ayoyo sifisi sam.
You can actually say that Tukunya is a species of. Because